In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to save a Gmail as a PDF on iPhone. So this is actually pretty easy, but you just gotta know what to do. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is, let's say I want to save this email as a PDF. So what I want to do is I want to click on the three dots at the top right corner, not this one right here, but the actual one at the top right corner. Then you want to click on print all, and you want to select AirPrint, and this will basically open the printer options up. And we don't want to print it, of course, but we want to save it. So we're gonna zoom in like this, and once again hit the share button, scroll a bit down, click on save to files. And I already made like a PDF folder, but you can save it anywhere where you want, as long as you can find it, of course. But all you have to do from here on out is just click on save, and that will just save this email as a PDF. And when I go to my Files app real quick, you can see at the top left corner that the Gmail is right here. And when I click on it, this is the email we have gotten. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.